Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by ensuring your safety. First, disconnect the spark plug wire to completely power down the machine and prevent any accidental starts. Next, always put on heavy-duty work gloves and safety glasses. These are crucial for protecting your hands and eyes from sharp edges and debris. Finally, place your edger on a sturdy, flat surface, making it much easier and safer to work on. Now, let's get that old blade off. You'll need a wrench to loosen the blade nut. Turn it counterclockwise until it's free. It's a good idea to hold the blade firmly with your other hand to keep it from spinning while you loosen the nut. Once the nut is off, carefully remove the old blade, along with any washers or spacers that were in place. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Make sure the new blade is oriented correctly, with the cutting edge facing the direction of rotation. Then, carefully place any washers and spacers back onto the shaft in the exact order they were removed. Finally, hand tighten the blade nut clockwise onto the shaft, getting it snug but not fully tightened yet. For the final step, use your wrench to fully tighten the blade nut. Make sure it's very secure, preventing any movement during operation. Double-check that the blade is perfectly centered and can spin freely without any wobble. Once you're confident everything is secure, reconnect the spark plug wire. Your edger is now ready for use with its brand new blade.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.